Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the 7th episode of the 10 most popular dog breeds in the world. 4. Golden Retriever. At number 4, the Golden Retriever, loyal, friendly, and always smiling. A perfect family dog and a TikTok superstar. Golden fetching a ball, swimming, or cuddling babies. You can also watch previous videos on the channel. We will be posting more videos about animals soon. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Follow us on Instagram too.